All right, let's go ahead and check out this next tamale. We're going to go ahead and evaluate the cosine of the quantity x plus 4, pi plus 4 plus pi over 3. And we're also going to do cosine of pi over 4 plus cosine of pi over 3. All right, so let's start with this guy right here. Well, since we are taking the sum of two angles of two radians, we're just going to use our sum formula. So we're just going to use this guy right here. So I'm just going to apply the formula. This would be my u, this would be my v, and that was the bell. Please go to class. All right, let's go ahead and just plug it in then, right? So cosine of pi over 4 times the cosine of pi over 3 minus the sine of pi over 4 times the sine of pi over 3. Okay, now let's just go ahead and simplify each one of those. The cosine of pi over 4 is square root of 2 over 2. Cosine of pi over 3 is a half. Cosine of pi over 4 is root 2 over 2. And sine of pi over 3 is radical 3 over 2. Okay. If I simplify those guys, I just get radical 2 over 4 minus radical 6 over 4, which then we can just write as radical 2 minus radical 6 all over 4. Now, let's go ahead and check this guy over here. Cosine of pi over 4 is just radical 2 over 2. And cosine of pi over 3 is 1/2. So that's just square root of 2 plus 1 over 2. And the purpose of just doing this part B is to show that cosine of pi over 4 plus pi over 3 does not mean I distribute cosine times pi over 4 is cosine pi over 4, cosine times pi over 3. Okay, that's not true. And that's a common error. You just kind of think, oh, I'm just supposed to multiply through. That is not true. So I assign some of these as homework so you can see it's not the same value. You need to actually take using the sum formula here. And this one, you actually need to take the cosine separately.